Kioria kiria baingi baguchioria ni kethira Kamiru iri na ngavana bairi kagitene kamwe. Bone nyuma ya Kawira Mwangaza kuingwa ni mbunge ya Senate endewe na mawakili bawe ba matukaru irondene ya koti na aria mugambithania abatethetie na kubaba ruga ya kurungika ugambi bwa Senate bagietera igambare rithikirwa mweri twetete jwa kenda na gukario jo kwina uge mwanya bwa mawakili pamwe bakiuga Kawira twe ngavana na bange bakiuga nowe ngavana wa Meru, bange bakiuga Kawira ni ngavana umarukite na mutumantu ithinkia nowe ngavana ende kiria koti irungamitie ni kunyuithwa muma. Morgan Mweti na gichungi ya siasa.
Kiamuthia nyuma magerekeria kathumba ja mbunge ya Meru ja kweberia ngavana Kawira Mwangaza obicine kwi njumaine ya tariki 20 mweri juju mbunge ya Senate yeberia ngavana Kawira ukurukira impeachment ota wethire kuringana na gichunche kia 182 subsection 2 ya katiba ya Kenya. Ngavana akeja kweberwa obicine munini wawe no batere kuzukia kanya kau mwanka kithurano kiu kingi. Nyuma ya ndingwe ya Senate, Gavana Mwangaza na mawakili bawe batongeretwe wakili Elias Mutuma bacho wagichitho kiri koti nene kendetagariri uria mbunge ya Senate rirunge kwa mugambithania wa koti nene Bahati Mwamuye athikira kiriro kia Gavana Mwangaza na arita mawatho jairi. Bwa mbere ni kurigiria itagariri Senate kweberia Gavana Kawira Mwangaza na bwajairi ni kurigiria Speaker wa Senate kurikithia matagari ja kweberia ngavana obicine na nandi kiure kiria kinene mumiru wa gucioria ni atiri no ngavana wa Meru. Mawakili na athomi bawatho ibaritete mauge nkurani iguru ria untu bubu. Wakili Amos Mugambi na ugite watho bubu wa koti butiumba kuangaratania unyui bwa muma bwa munini wa ngavana wa Meru ni Reverend Mutuma Ntwethingia.
Kawira na araritirwe na kurito kwawe kwekuranga Kenya gazetine na mantu yawe yathira akea kwenda mantu yendelea na ngachoka kotini akiuwa ngazetira irekirwe ni speaker wa Senate quashed kana ebaeberwe lakini thaitu kwaria ngazetwitire baeberwa kou Kawira tingavana thai acting governor ni Mutuma bila hake bitumbo karika kulingana na ondera yanirwe Mutuma atumba ku ewa muma atumba wa pishwa mwanga kisi withikirwe.
Nawe wakili wa ngavana Elias Mutuma na ugite ati Kawira Mwangaza ageta na mbere kurita ngugi cia ngavana mwanke gambare uri antariki 17 rithire
koti karikia kuuga eko suspend implementation ikumaanisha resolution ile cha Senate itiomba gutumikira wita ngugi imwe kana ingi na gavana karikia kwa impeach na Senate ya confirm kwa wethire deputy weno batere kujukia giti kia gavana na batere kwa sworn in lakini igitariri koti yauga resolutions ile ikwa suspended kumaanisha resolutions ile iteo na itiomba gutumika guswear in the new governor. Governor Kawira akendelea kuserve as the governor of Meru mwankarira kesi ile ikotini ikathira akendelea gwita gwecha governor endele wa entitled na ke benefits na rights chonde iria governors bangi betha bena chio mwankarira koti ikamua otherwise kana rega confirm igambara yawe.
Rutere rurungi nayo wakili wa mbunge ya Meru Ndegwa Njiru na ugite Kawira Mwangaza na batere gucieberia obicine
that when the Senate voted to remove the deputy governor voted to remove the governor of Meru County, the deputy governor automatically became the governor by the operation of the law. What then that means is that we do not need to bring ourselves within the armpits of the assumptions of office of a governor elect act. Any order that comes later than the 21st of August, at the time the resolution was made and a vote taken, is overtaken by events because the deputy governor became the governor immediately after the taking of the vote. So this order is overtaken by events in our own view, and whether or not it was gazetted is immaterial. The necessity for gazettement is not a statutory creation or a creation of the law.
Na kiure kiria kinene ikethirwa ntumirie uya speaker wa Senate kiri ngatheti ya thirikari iri na inya kumweberia gavana Kawira obisine kana intumiria ki na aja nio kuri na nkirithano kiri mawakiri baba banteresho ijiri
gazetment iteana powers gazetment ite order gazetment i just a communication na iri communicating bio iri communicate resolutions iri tayari chiere suspended in court kwou gazette notice iri itina ine legal effect
that whether the gazettement is only needed or the is meant to communicate to the whole world that people should be wary when dealing with Governor Kawira, the former governor of Meru County. It's a caveat temptor. Buyer beware. Don't deal with the former governor of Meru. She's a fictitious governor, and nobody should be able to deal with her, not including the county government staffs.
o kaunjaunjene o kau neo wakiri Mugambi Manyara uria nowe mwejanikirira wa gavana Kawira Mwangaza na ugite ati mawakiri ba gavana buru batikumba gutaura watho bwa koti
buge gute confusion iri au completely na baba kugereo dina very simple advice ukethirwo utikumba guinterpret kotonda uchoko koti weje ne kotonde u ukamira iguinterpretire kana ikwire ora kotonde u ikuga ugeto ukoria koti uri onde ni kuga gavana acoke obici ukerwa yi kanari werwa yi ukana werwa ari ugeto kuga ageto obici so urampomba kwa advice antu baba tikwirwa very simple kotonda na bamwe mawakiri kinyabe na ndigirira tukanenya na bene experience yankurukire miaka 30 ndipo advice choke ni kotini wire koti bu interpretere kotondeu kethira butikumirewa
nkuruki Mugambi Manyara ariuga igamba riri rikajukia miaka mingi na rikijukia kagita kauga karaja otune gavana Kawira Mwangaza ukethirwa ari gavana Omeru na ageta na mbere gwita ngugi ciawe
tumete Senate twitite High Court na tuma High Court uroga chinda either Kawira kana ivo uungi ageta Court of Appeal na Court of Appeal uroga chindwa ageta Supreme Court kutugetikire gushindirwa gatigati aja tikawira Mwangaza tiba bange bakwenda kumuimpeach kwa igamba riri rikathirira Supreme Court mbere tukinya Supreme Court tutikinya mwaka yu tutikinya yu yungi no ndintegete na assessment yakwa ya magambo reja tako tukakinya 2028 so nkwenda ubira butige mpwechi ya kuduganya gitike angava ni vakanti kana bokeja ruyu yanga kinya igamba riri atrai court boko ya gitini hapana kesi yeje geta mwanka Supreme Court na Supreme Court ire guru muno nega take time but in the meantime urokedo akaririte gitike angava na Meru County eta wa mheshimiwa Bishop Faith Kawira Mwangaza excellency
Marius Maranya uria ni wakiri wa koti nene kiri mubango jwagaru ya siasa o ajandeni ya Weru TV na ugite gavana Kawira Mwangaza na batere kuthura ebere obisine nyuma yetu aria mbunge ya Senate na mutumantu ethingia akanyuthwo mu maja gavana o mweru wa Meru.
The moment House of Senate Speaker make a declaration after the voting, now the governor of Meru stood impeached. That is when the governor Kawira Mwangaza asisire kwa governor. Now, pending the gazettement. Tugura you've been impeached successfully. It's just a procedure. Immediately you degazette her as the governor. So after kuo arare I nusu governor, I don't know whether I can call it nusu governor at the governor. Yeah. After declaration with the speaker, Mwanka speaker a follow up with that gazettement and gazette that vacancy. So the moment I would now through a Kenya Gazette, you are not a governor. Your position as a governor has been declared now vacant. Yeah. You have been stripped of that power. Governor. Now you completely cease to be a governor. Now, what cease to be a governor? At your immediate your deputy governor becomes governor, either what you can call acting governor, lakini acting governor, governor elect is a governor awaiting swearing in.
Morgan Mwiti, Gichungi ya siasa, Weru TV.